What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Ondo. Wanted to do a quick video on that. I mean, in general, I saw it this morning. I thought it was quite interesting. I took a trade on it. So just wanted to give you my thoughts. I think there's a good chance that we actually get some sort of bullish momentum from here. Overall, though, we are bearish. All right, so keep that in mind. If you look at the trend, so this is the 1 hour time frame. If you look at the 4 hour time frame here, basically after hitting this top right here at 1.45, there was already a bearish divergence here, which I'm not sure if for some reason I did. No, here you can see big bearish divergence. As you can see, just in general, there already was between these two highs. Got a big bearish confirmation right here when we broke down below 1.3, 1.32 after that dump on Friday, of course. So right now, I would say we are bearish. On the higher time frames, we're bearish. Now, why do I still think that Ondo is interesting then? Is that first of all, we hit a significant support level right here around 1.15. We did not hit 1.15, but you can see that historically there is quite a significant level there. So that's interesting, all right? If we hit a major support level, then the chances of us bouncing from there increase. And then apart from that, we also still see, even though the market as a whole, I would say is bearish. I mean, you can see Bitcoin also got a massive bearish breakout here below the 200 EMA and is still dropping down here. But even though that's the case, some RWA, so real world asset coins, are still doing well. Like if you take a look at Ohm has been very, very bullish in the last 2 weeks. But then apart from that, Dusk also performed relatively well. And now Ondo, the biggest RWA project still, I think is looking quite good on the lower time frames. All right, so that's where to look, because on the lower time frames, what you can see is that we are forming some sort of an uptrend here, or at least it could be the start. All right, because right now I do think we need more confirmation. If you look at Ondo this morning, what you see is that we are gaining momentum, and we got some big buy orders coming in after the dump we had throughout the entire markets. And then that continued into this morning. Positive CVD, large open interest orders coming in. Spot CVD still negative, so that's not great. But in general, that's interesting, right? And then you can see on the lower time frames, like I said, the 30 minutes, etc., that we're also putting in some bullish breakouts. We're putting in higher lows and higher highs. Now the main question is well, all right, the more experienced traders and analysts under you already have thought this out, if I can talk, that this is either, I mean, if we are really in a downtrend, right, then this is more likely going to be a bearish flag. So that means a short bullish channel in a downtrend, which is ultimately going to lead to a bearish continuation. It's either going to be that, or we can actually hold this on the lower time frames. And I think right now we're still in the middle of finding that out. Right, we're starting off nicely, right? We're getting some bullish breakouts here. If you go to the 15-minute time frame, we've broken above the 28 and the 50 EMA. We've broken above 1.22, which is a minor key level. Broken above the 100 EMA, which is now what we're trying to hold. But in general, as long as we're above 1.22 on the lower time frames, I think we're bullish. But there's two things we need right now, and that's continuation, all right, so that we keep making those bullish breakouts. So for example, right now, that we do something like this, so that we break above 1.24, find resistance, then break above 1.25, find resistance, and we need to continue that, I think, at least for 2 more breakouts to really know that this is real, and that this is not just a short-term bearish flag. And then apart from that, what might even be more important is we need a relatively bullish Bitcoin. We're very reactive to Bitcoin overall. I think we need to see some sort of a breakout for Bitcoin over the course of today. Otherwise, Ondo can be relatively strong, but I think the only way we can actually do something like this and get up to 1.28, 1.3, 1.32 is if Bitcoin turns bullish as well. All right, Ondo is doing fine. We're getting some good confirmations on the lower time frames. We're getting some good momentum. Now the market just needs to work with it, and then we can actually see this bullish momentum continue. Otherwise, I mean, if we give up 1.22, or if Bitcoin drops down towards 67 or 66,600, then Ondo is just going to flip bearish again. So those are my thoughts. All right, that's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.